open spaces on the floor, what do? Then it's no longer relevant to manage them as Victorian parks. They have to have function for a future city. How do we reframe the value of those spaces? Issues around natural capital.
So in London, we've had a long history of protecting open space through London plan policy. What we've done in the last couple of years is think about the functional value of those spaces. And the Mayor set up a task force, a green infrastructure task force, and the purpose of that task force was to think about how we turn nature-based systems into something which plays into the city's transport, to its health, to climate change adaptation, and really rethink the way we manage and design open spaces. So it's treating green infrastructure in the same way we treat grey infrastructure. We think long term about how we design roads and pipes and cable networks. We need to do exactly the same with our green spaces. The thing I particularly enjoyed about the conference was getting those different understandings of cities from different people. Clearly European cities are on different scales. London's a big city, Vienna's a slightly smaller city. Very similar issues, but looking at it from different perspectives. So Vienna was thinking about how to cool the city by bringing in breezes and greening from outside the city into the city. In London, we're actually doing it from a different perspective. We're actually doing it from the city itself and how we link to the outside. So very similar issues, but different approaches to resolving the problem. One of the great things about the conference was meeting people from other cities and starting to make those networks and contacts, because now as a city in London, we're really interested in the future of green infrastructure, the future of nature-based solutions, and working with other European cities, working collaboratively through the Horizon 2020 programme to mainstream nature-based solutions. Having those discussions with officers, meeting new people, understanding the cultural and institutional differences is critical if we're going to put together really strong, compelling funding mix.